tested and gearing up, ready to go. This has undercarriage hose reels, soft wash system. All being ran and tested now. See the amount of heat and steam we're producing. Now we do not use the holding tank as wastewater. Holding tank is just really not always pretty legal when you have like an open top container where that actually wastewater can spill out of. So basically, trying to do it right here. So the only one that really use the extra wastewater recovery tank on the truck. We got two 400-gallon tanks, one supply, one recovery tank. All the other trailers we produce have two 270 gallons. See the amount of steam and heat. These go through very extensive training, testing. Quick exterior tour here. Chemical area loading dock or dock. This is our new 50,000 square foot facility here in Caledonia, Michigan. It's about 4 miles south of the Grand Rapids International Airport, so pretty easy to get to us and to get to our facility. Here's our manufacturing facility, loading ramp and loading docks for shipping and receiving. Here's some additional trailers here that are either sold or for stock. This one is a Platinum Plus trailer package here. This one actually is our official demo trailer now. This one's staying here for at least the next 6 months for demonstration purposes, so we always have one on hand. This is going down to, one of these two are going down to Texas shortly. Other trailer is available for stock. And we have another one. That's our Titanium series. It's a new version. You just saw the diamond truck out there. The Titanium package is right there. It's going to be our next generation. We're expanding our manufacturing and production area right now in order to be able to handle the additional load. If you're ready to go, we can still get you trailers immediately. So if you're in the market and you want to get going, blow it up come winter. Over the fall and winter, and everybody in your northern states, give us a call. Again, Dan Swede, Hydrochem Systems. Today is Friday, the 28th of September, and see, they think they're just going out the door strong. Be part of a brand new industry. Expand your carpet cleaning companies, your pest control companies, your landscape companies. A lot of existing service companies can expand upon that, increase clientele into, we have clients with 1,300 active accounts that are subscribers that are monthly. I mean, it's just amazing to think how big of an opportunity this is for an existing service industry, especially if you're a little bit of a saturated